In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find forgotten Gmail password. We're going to use the built-in tools on your Android phone to locate a password you previously saved so you can sign back in without hassle. This method is quick, secure, and works for most people as long as the password was saved to your Google account on this device. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. If you don't see what you need right away, use the search bar at the top of Settings to find it faster. Look for the section labeled Google. Tap that and then choose Manage your Google account. This opens your Google Account Hub, where the different tabs run across the top. Swipe left or right along those tabs until you get to the one labeled Security. Inside the Security section, scroll down until you find Password Manager. Tap it, then tap Manage Passwords. This is where your phone stores saved logins for websites and apps that you've allowed Google to remember. You'll see a searchable list with site names and icons. In the search box or by scrolling, look for google.com. Sometimes it might appear as accounts.google.com or display a Google icon. Tap the entry that matches your Gmail or Google sign in. On the details screen, you'll see the saved username and a hidden password. To reveal the password, tap the little eye icon. For security, your phone will likely ask you to confirm your identity with your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Approve that prompt, and the password will become visible. Take a moment to verify you're looking at the right account if you manage more than one. You can copy the password from here if you need to paste it into Gmail. And once you're done, make sure you lock your phone or hide the password again. If you don't see a google.com entry, it usually means the password wasn't saved on this device or it may have been cleared. Double check that you're signed into the Google account you normally use for saving passwords. Also note that menu names can vary slightly depending on your phone model or Android version. If you're not finding something exactly as shown, use the search bar inside Settings for terms like Google, manage your Google account, security, or password manager. That's the whole process. And for most people, it's all you need to get back into Gmail. Keep your device secured, avoid sharing your screen when showing passwords, and consider updating your password afterward if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical Gmail tips and tutorials.